Hello dosto and friends, welcome to the channel once again. So today there was a surprise actually that Nifty on start only it fall, Nifty after opening only it falls. So I was not expecting that Nifty will in the opening itself it will fall like this by 9:15 to 9:30. So this was not much expected from me actually, from my time analysis and my view. What I was expecting was that from opening it will be a some around flat opening, and after that this move should come actually, this move. So that's why I was expecting that Nifty should move around 16,200 to 300 points today only itself. But but this move actually, how it came by a fall, then after that this move came. So that is what not much expected, but still I feel we are good. But one concern is that as I have told you the count from here to here, once again I can tell you. See, sometimes the video will be long because of explanation. So if you want only within 15 minutes to complete or something, so please be skip that explanation, and you can check the levels. Okay, that is not a problem. You can check anyway, you can check the levels only, what the levels I'm giving, that levels only you can check. If you don't want the explanation, see, trading is like, if you without explanation, if you without any logic you are taking, then that is not a trading actually, that is a gambling. Okay, without logic if you taking, because everywhere there is a support and resistance, everywhere there will be a resistance, everywhere there is a support, everywhere everything will be there, but still the Nifty falls, right? Still the Nifty falls and the Nifty go up. So which resistance will work and which resistance will not work, means somebody will tell that weekly resistance, monthly, keep the monthly resistance, weekly resistance. When it is at ATH, what resistance will work, you tell me? Okay, so when it is at ATH or something, we have to check the better to do the web analysis, expertise, get the expertise in web analysis. That will be see, I am also a learner, only the market is a teacher. Okay, so whatever my view only I am keeping in this channel, nothing more to, I am not telling you to trade, but this is just a view and I am keeping my view. And with the price action you take your intraday trade or your support and resistance trade, whatever it is. Okay, so video will be bit long sometimes, but I don't want to be long because I don't have don't have so much of time also. इतना टाइम है भी नहीं मेरे पास कि मैं इतना टाइम दे पाऊँ, नहीं तो मैं तो बहुत सारा चार्ट ऐसे दिखाता आपको, लेकिन इतना चार्ट दिखाने के लिए भी टाइम होना चाहिए. ओके, like people have the channel where they will only talk, and they will keep on the support and resistance and all those things, but I am not doing like that. I am giving a bit explanation so that you can learn, and this theory you can apply in any of the chart, any of the stock, any of the share, you can keep, and you can have good money in positional actually. Keep it in a positional. Now you can apply in some sectors where the sectors are going good. You can apply on metal sectors, you can apply on sugar sectors, like this you can apply. Okay, and after that you can analyze the shares and all. So this Elliott wave analysis is very extraordinary, where you can know the you can buy the low and sell the high always. That is how, once you are getting expertise, means you will always do, you will never see the resistance, support and all. You will only buy the low and sell the high. So try to learn it. It's up to you. You just check the level and skip to the level, and that's it. Okay, so what I was yesterday I was telling you that this is the second move, and this is the second move, this one is the second move, and we are in the third move, but third move is complete or not, and we don't know. And if it is a fourth move, this is the 23.6% retracement, and this here is the 38.2% retracement. And if you see this, still this fourth move is going on. Now yesterday, today also it fall, and I thought that this resistance, if it is taken out, then today it view was that it is a bullish view. But the market, since in the morning 9:15 to 9:30 the fall, which I am not expecting, but after getting into the time analysis, then I found that yes, there was a fall before the move. So that's what happened. Okay, sometimes the view will go wrong, but I will update in my channel. Please be cautious for this all types of views, because sometimes views may go wrong. Okay, sometimes the views may go wrong, but support will be always there, and stop loss is always there. I have told you, always a 13 days low, average low means it is breaching, means it is the end of the trend. Okay, the new trend will only will evolve when it will go to the 13 days moving average high. So I am expecting still the fifth move towards 16,200 to 300 level. But let's see what is there in the card. Sometimes what happen now, this third move this move from here to here, it can truncate over here. Okay, and this move can be the third, and here the zigzag move will come. Okay, here the zigzag move will come, which will be a triangle, and this triangle will break toward the fifth move. But still there the opportunity is there. Still we are not in the fifth move, because see, this is the first move is done, this second move is done, and this third move, until unless a fourth move will come and rise towards this resistance. Okay, this resistance, the fifth move is not yet done. So that portion is there. So, but fourth move is in continuation. And what I am expecting is that today only I am expecting that the third move will complete, and this June month whole means the consolidation will be there. This after this full sideways will be there. There will be like this moment. One day it will fall. Volatility will be there, and we will come to know this WXYZ this pattern. And once this pattern is breakout, then we will have a fifth move. But today what happened is that since the fall happens, I also could not take any position for today. So because I was in a surprise, because of why the fall happened, so I have not taken any position. But for tomorrow I will take some position. If this resistance is breaking out, if this resistance it is crossing out, then I will take the position. Since if you see let me do a bit. If you see this 13 days moving average high, it has crossed. Okay, it has crossed, and two candlesticks has been crossed, means it means that now the bullish side movement is there. Because if you'll go this one, let's see this one, let's see from here to here. Still see from here, if it is high over here, this is the 23.6%. today also if this is the high 23.6%, so this is the third move. Okay, this is the third move, and this is the fourth move in continuation. So even if you keep over here or here, so what we are checking is that this is the triangle which is going on. Okay, and this is going to break. Well, it is going to break, and once it break, it will be another 300 to 400 points it is going to come. Otherwise, if this support is breaking, this is the major support now. This red candle, whatever you are seeing, I'll enlarge it. This red candle, whatever you are seeing, is a major support. Okay, this is the major support. So this is the major support. So for all those who wants just the levels, please check it. This is the 15,567 is the major support, where if it is breaking, then 38.2% will be on the card. Okay, so these two here to here 15,450. Okay, 15,450 will be very good support for this. So this is not the price action. You should apply with the Fibonacci retracement and the Elliott wave, then only you will be successful. So this one, what I am telling, 15,450. Tomorrow if also it is falling, then 15,450 to this 15,400 level, this will be 400 will be very logical level, so it is a round number. So ये जो सपोर्ट है, ये सपोर्ट यहाँ से लेगी, ओके। ये यदि ब्रेक हो जाती है, कौन से ब्रेक, 15,567 लेवल यदि ब्रेक हो जाती है तो ये ज़रूर ये एक सपोर्ट लेगी, क्योंकि हम लोग का अभी फिफ्थ वेव है। अभी मतलब मार्केट अभी ऐसा नहीं है कि ऐसा एक दिन में ऐसा इतना पैसा लगा पूरा गिर जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं है। दिस इज जस्ट चेकआउट, ओके। So I don't feel there from the here some correction 5%, 4%, 3%, whatever the people will be telling, this will no correction is going to come till it is going to break this this level, okay, this level. So this is the level where it will be invalidated, 15,100 level where it will be invalidated, this trend will be invalidated, and this because this is 1 and this is 2, so this trend will get invalidated. So as long as it is staying above this 15,450 to 400 level, Nifty is going to move up. Nifty is going to move up. As long as it is staying 15,450 to 400 level, Nifty is going to move up, and we will see 16,300. So for tomorrow I will tell that keep eye on the two candle, whatever in the daily candle we have formed. If it is breaking, okay, if it is breaking this daily candle, if it is breaking, this one is actually 15,000 what is this, 15,840, and this one is see, this one today it has not broken, but this one very good candle it has formed, okay, it has very good candle it has formed. So so this could break it, okay, this is going to break it most probably. So if it is breaking, so tomorrow you can take the position, for 400 points or 300 points, 16,200. So you can take the position, and 16 days average, this one will be your stop loss, and you can trail your stop loss. Automatically the stop loss will be trail, and no need to worry, okay, no need to worry about this. Automatically the stop loss will be trailed, this one 15,740. So once it is up, then 13 days moving average low will be you can automatically it will be stay. So what I am telling, ये जब तक ये सपोर्ट यहाँ पर है, ये ब्रेक नहीं करती, यहाँ तक आने की कोई चांसेस ही नहीं है, ओके। सो दिस येलो लाइन इट यहाँ तक आने की कोई चांसेस नहीं है। ये बात ये है कि यहाँ पर हो सकती है, मतलब ऐसे कुछ ट्रायंगल बनाए हो, सो बिकॉज डाइवर्जेंस है यहाँ पे, नेगेटिव डाइवर्जेंस भी बहुत आ रही है, until unless this is not going to above 60 levels, so थोड़ा मतलब ट्रेंड ये रहेगी। तो कल का क्या ट्रेंड थोड़ा सा मतलब वीक रहेगी। तो कल का क्या व्यू है, कल का हम लोग का व्यू ये है, एक मिनट मैं थोड़ा देख लेता हूँ, ओके। कल क्या होगी कि निफ्टी मॉर्निंग में ओपन होते हुए थोड़ा सा नीचे साइडवेज मूवमेंट होके नेगेटिव होगी, ओके, नेगेटिव होगी मतलब थोड़ा नीचे की डाउन ट्रेंड होगी। मान लो कि गैप अप होती है, इन केस इट इज़ 50 पॉइंट्स गैप अप हो गया, उसका ये मतलब नहीं कि मतलब -50 हो जाएगा, ओके। गैप अप हुआ मतलब 50 हुआ तो इट विल बी इन द पॉजिटिव, बट इट विल लिटिल बिट साइडवेज, ओके, इट विल बी लिटिल बिट साइडवेज, एंड इट विल कम डाउन टिल 10-15। यदि मार्केट ओपन नेगेटिव ही होती है तो इट विल बी साइडवेज, okay, it will be sideways to negative, it may be go to +10 -10, it will be happening like that, but till 10-15 the trend will be like this, okay, trend will be downtrend only, trend will be downtrend. How I can tell you, 1 minute. So if you go to 15-minute chart, sometimes what happens, ओके, समटाइम्स यहाँ पर देखो, यहाँ पर क्या हुआ, यहाँ गैप अप हुआ, ओके, गैप अप के बाद क्या हुआ, निफ्टी डाउन ट्रेंड आएगी, ओके, डाउन ट्रेंड आएगी मतलब ऐसा आएगी। अभी ये ज़रूरी थोड़ी है कि डाउन ट्रेंड आएगी मतलब पूरा ही मतलब पूरा आके पूरा गैप ही फिल कर देगी यहाँ से, ऐसा नहीं होता है। सो यहाँ से हुआ, यहाँ से ये 10-15 सॉरी यहाँ से 930 तक आया, फिर 930 के बाद यहाँ पर 10-15 से यहाँ से साइडवेज हुआ, फिर यहाँ पर आके नीचे गिरा। तो ये मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ, ओके। सो डोंट टेक इट दिस वन एक्चुअली। सो दिस व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग इज दैट 1 minute. I will remove this Fibonacci, this one. ओके सो हाँ, सो ट्रेंड क्या होगी, थोड़ा नीचे आएगी ट्रेंड 10-15 तक, 10-15 से 10-15 से 12, ओके 12-20 तक पक्की, मतलब थोड़ा ऊपर जाएगी, फिर अगेन थोड़ा नीचे 215 तक आएगी। सो ये जो ट्रेंड है ना 215 तक, 12 से ये जो बड़ा लंबा टाइम है, सो इसमें एक डाउन ट्रेंड दिखने को मिल सकता है। सो प्राइस एक्शन हम लोग को देखना पड़ेगा कहाँ पर, मतलब कैसे रेजिस्टेंस ले रहा है, जब ये ओपन हुआ इसका प्राइस ऐसे देखना पड़ेगा कि रेजिस्टेंस कहाँ ले रहा है, फिर वहाँ से हम लोग ले सकते हैं। ये सब इंट्राडे जब भी बाय करो, फ्यूचर में बाय करो, दैट विल बी मोर बेनिफिशियल। नहीं तो वो ऑप्शन में क्या होता है ना, सब पैसा वैसे ही डूब जाता है। आइदर यू सेल इट, दैट विल बी बेटर, स्ट्रैडल खेलो, या तो बाइंग मत करो ऑप्शन, बिकॉज नाउ विक्स इज़ वेरी लो, उसमें भी क्या ना ओनली मनी वेस्ट है और कुछ नहीं है। okay, buying is never a good strategy. Buying is a good strategy whenever there is a momentum in the market, whenever we are sure that there will be a fall, okay, like what I told you in the case of a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, there will be a selling pressure. So if you have seen the selling pressure, then you could have checked how the after the 12 how the market Nifty fell down here. This is the one actually, and this is how it fell down. This was on 11:10, okay, this one on 9, okay, so Wednesday actually this one. So how it fell down, then on Thursday little bit full sideways is there. In this, if you say that I will buy option, okay, then nothing will be going to happen for you, only your wastage of money will be there, okay. So this is the trend, you can follow market and mark my level, that is what I am telling. सो निफ्टी बैंक अभी देखते हैं। निफ्टी बैंक तो मतलब सचमुच का अभी यहाँ पर आ गया, मतलब ये देखो, मतलब क्या हुआ कि ये कभी ये रेजिस्टेंस क्रॉस ही नहीं हुआ। ये जो पिक्चर मैंने दिखाया था आपको, ये कभी ये रेजिस्टेंस क्रॉस नहीं हुआ। तो मैंने बोला था ना कि ये जो रेजिस्टेंस क्रॉस होगी, ये जो रेजिस्टेंस, निफ्टी बैंक थोड़ा वीक है, तो ये रेजिस्टेंस जब क्रॉस होगी हम लोग का थर्ड वेव बनेगी। उससे पहले ये देखो यहाँ पर, तो यहाँ से ट्रेंड लाइन को पूरा मतलब टच करने को आ गई है, ओके। सो ये हम लोग का था निफ्टी बैंक। निफ्टी बैंक अभी भी मतलब ये एक तरह से ये अभी अपना still it is what I will tell you here. Nifty bank is in still sorry, 1 minute. Nifty bank is still, this is in first move and this is second move, this is the second move, okay. So still it is going on, and third move only it will come when we will see here it is, sorry. सो फिफ्थ यहाँ पर थर्ड मैंने कहाँ बोला था, 38,000 कुछ बोला था, 38,000 कुछ बोला था थर्ड। स्टिल ये जो लेवल है ये सेकंड मूवी है, अभी चल रही है, ओके। ये जो बॉक्स यहाँ से यहाँ पर ये पूरा सेकंड मूव चल रही है, अभी ये कंप्लीट नहीं हुई है कुछ। आप अपना भी एनालिसिस करके देख लो, ऐसा मेरा तो ये बस व्यू है, ओके। सो स्टिल ये जो बॉक्स है अभी, ये बॉक्स व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग इज अ सेकेंड मूव ओनली निफ्टी बैंक का, ओके। ये चैनल लाइन में चल रही है और ये सेकंड मूव है। ये निफ्टी बैंक के, मतलब निफ्टी बैंक के वजह से ही पूरा निफ्टी में भी खलबली मची हुई है। सो निफ्टी बैंक यदि थोड़ा सपोर्ट देती तो निफ्टी भी हम लोग का ऊपर चले जाता, लेकिन निफ्टी बैंक जो है सपोर्ट नहीं मिल रहा है, ओनली रिलायंस ही ऊपर लेके थोड़ा जा रहा है, नहीं तो निफ्टी बैंक से कुछ इतना कुछ सपोर्ट नहीं है। निफ्टी बैंक से यदि कुछ सपोर्ट मिलता तो वी कुड हैव रीच देयर एक्चुअली 16,300। So thing is that I think Mercury is weak a little bit, so that's why it is the problem here. So so this one, so 1 2 this one, this still this resistance need to be crossed to reach to the third level. So what I am telling, this is a major support now. Okay, this is the major support, it has taken the support. Let's see tomorrow what happened tomorrow. I think some opening will be, if it is down and if it is this parallel channel line will get support. तो जिस इस चैनल लाइन को मार्क करो, ये चैनल लाइन यदि ब्रेक करता है तो फिर, और निफ्टी यहाँ निफ्टी बैंक ये एक सपोर्ट है, निफ्टी बैंक की ये एक सपोर्ट है, दिस सपोर्ट वन सपोर्ट इज देयर. Okay, this support, one support is there, or another support is there. Okay, so these two supports are there. We could see this channel line, if carry on with this channel line, if it is breaking, then we could see that the support up to 32,000 it will come, 33,280, then 32,000 it is coming. Okay, so then Nifty will be also fall and it can come to 38.2%. So it can also come to 38.2% then. Okay, so that is my this one. Then everybody is in, then everybody will be in the sync and they will move up. Okay, so this could be one of the terminated zone from where the third move of this one will get complete, or otherwise, because what happened now, see, third move is completed and 23.6% happen, and now it is again, it is moving. It can be, see, it has not touched this one. It has not touched this one. Now I will tell you one thing in Elliott of analysis. I will tell you, if this is not the fourth move. See, why the heck it's going to take the support here? So the reason is that it is making a fifth move. What I feel actually. So the reason is that, so if you see this is the fifth move, because if today it would have breached this 23.6%, then again it would have terminated. The fifth move of this whole wave, this wave would have terminated. So it is not terminated. So we are moving toward the third move, and third move is 16,300 to 200 to 300, where it will make a this one. Okay, in 5 minutes if you. So what I am telling is that this move has completed, this ABC move has completed. So this one, so okay, this one, this ABC move here, it has been completed, this one. Okay, so now what is happening is that, so here what I am telling is that so now again the video is my video is getting long, so pardon me. So क्या कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा मतलब समझाते हैं कि मतलब ऐसे टाइम चले जाता है. सो ये क्या बोल रहा हूँ कि ये जो ये 5 मिनट का चार्ट देख रहा हूँ मैं, 5 मिनट का चार्ट में, सॉरी लेट्स 15 मिनट स्टार्ट देखते हैं, 5 मिनट का बहुत ही हो जाएगा. सो ये जो है 1 2 बन रही है. ओके, ये जो 2 बन रही है अभी, ये कल यदि इसको ब्रीच कर देती है ऊपर की तरफ, अदरवाइज ये मोड थोड़ा बहुत और थोड़ा हो सकती है कि कल ये रेजिस्टेंस ले फिर नीचे आ जाए. ओके, जैसे मैंने आज का ट्रेंड बताया आपको, कल का ट्रेंड बताया, कल का ट्रेंड भी थोड़ा साइडवेज लग रहा है, पर हो सकती है कि कल इसको ब्रीच करे और कल ऊपर की तरफ एक बार भाग जाए. तो क्या होगा ना, ये जो है ना सेकंड मूव बन रही है अभी. ओके, 1 2 फिफ्थ मूव जब बन रही है उसका ये सेकंड मूव बन रही है. वंस ये सेकंड मूव ऊपर की तरफ चली जाएगी तो हम लोग का थर्ड मूव 16,300 तक आ जाएगी. फिर उसके बाद एक फोर्थ मूव, देन फिफ्थ मूव. ओके, लाइक दिस. फिफ्थ मूव कोई नहीं बता सकता कितना एक्सटेंड होगा. Like that it continue. It is a fractal nature of the wave. It is called fractal nature of the wave. It is the fractal nature of price. So फिफ्थ मूव कोई नहीं बता सकता कितना मतलब ऊपर जाएगी, बस हम लोग गैस मार सकते हैं कि यहाँ तक जा सकती है. ओके, सो 16,200 300 की मैं अभी तो मुझे चांसेस इसीलिए लग रही है क्योंकि 16,200 300 क्योंकि फिफ्थ मूव बन रही है। सो ये जो फिफ्थ मूव जब बन रही है तो आज का भी जो आप ट्रेंड देखोगे अभी पूरा ये ब्रिज नहीं की। यदि इसको ब्रिज कर देती 15,567 then we could have go to 15,450 where it could have bridged this could have terminated. Okay, this could have terminated, and this could, and what would have happened, this third move is done. After this fourth move from where 15,450, from where we will see again a move towards the more this the pattern is that from this move the third move is done, and this whole move we will see another fifth move of this move. Okay, this way from where it is started one, this is started one, this started one, this box is two, and this third, then this will be fourth, then fifth. So it has been I will say that it is not terminated till yet. If tomorrow if the again it is coming down and it is now again there will be a sudden fall like this, then it will again there will be a breach, and we will say that 15,450 will be the support now. So then from there you can take the support. This is the major support. So this major support will hold for whole move which is going from here, mark my marker, this one what I am showing 20 April, whatever it is from here it is going on. So that's it guys. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for your comments whatever you're giving. So I'll be always updating with my views, and I will make you aware of the wave analysis. That is one of the thing where you can do the trading and do good. Thank you.